Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about fun things to do with a Parrot AR drone. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about fun things to do with a Parrot AR drone is wixmobile.com. See the page titled AR.Drone 2.0 is loads of fun. Create a mobile website. Here's the link. You can also try www.quora.com, especially the page is the Parrot AR drone quadricopter worth the cost. What? This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.connectedrogers.ca. The web page 3 cool things you can do with your Parrot AR Drone 2.0. This is the link.